I'm just going to cut around here to hold it in place. Put me a couple clips on it. That way I don't have to worry about it going away on there. So I'm going to just take this and I'm going to go around it. Just try to cut it as even as possible. I am finally getting to the money. Money bonnet. All right. So take up a lot of room when I'm on the table doing my thing, and I'm just moving stuff out the way. So to open this one, I'm going to open it and I'm going to have the money side up facing me, and I'm going to sandwich these two fabrics together, but what I'm going to do is turn the shiny side towards the money. So basically, the two outer sides, hold on, I got this turned the wrong way. This way is better. Are facing each other. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my clips and I'm just going to put some clips all around the whole circle. Now, of course, I'm going to end up having to leave an opening after I make this, but I'm just going to add my little clips to it. Now, I generally don't use pins. When I started out, I used a lot of pins, but what'll happen is the pins can leave, you know, a lot of puncture holes, and then it also can, you know, just leave holes in your fabric, and it can snag the satin that you're using. So you don't really want, you know, to ruin the fabric before you get a chance to finish it. So this is one more clip. Pull this back out. And if it's wider, I generally pull this out because it's, you know, just that easier. Hold on, be right back. Hold on. One day. Okay, so to get this one started, of course, I always back stitch when I start, and I'm going to have to stitch all the way around the whole perimeter of this one. So yeah. Now, some people, they do go ahead and like do a gather stitch around the entire outside. You can do it that way, but I like to do mine with a straight stitch. finish this one, I always leave an opening because I have to turn it to the right side. Now, the outside of this does have a little bit of extra fabric on it, and I can always cut that off. But one of the main things I like to make sure is that I add some type of notches to the inside of this. Those notches will make it easier and make the bonnet more functional when you turn it inside, turn it right side out. Because anything that you cut out that has like a circle, you need to have like little notches and stuff in it. So you can cut it out in like a little triangle like this and do it all the way around. Or see, that's a little sewing notch. But for this one, I'm just going to do like little straight cuts and go around, because basically it just loosens up the fabric so it can, adjust around the circle when I turn it around. And then of course you don't want to cut the thread, so just get a sharp pair of scissors. Do that. So now I can turn it around. Now this is a good time that you can take it and iron it and press it down. Some people like to press the ends while it's inside out. Turn it this way so I don't have to, so I don't mess up the satin kind of way. But going around the outside, making sure everything is laid flat the way it needs to. I'm gonna take some clips, and I like to make sure I sandwich the two fabrics using the clips. And honestly, this was like one of my